everyone. For today's video, I will discuss on how to work problems at EasyRound. But before that, we will know first what is work problems. So, work problems are often solved by using fractional equations when several people or different forces are at work on a particular job. It is important to know their work rates to determine how they will work together. If we're going to consider a task as one job, then the rate of doing work can be represented as 1 over x, where x is the number of time per unit required to complete the job. The first problem for the easy round is Peter can mow the lawn in 40 minutes and John can mow the lawn in 60 minutes. How long will it take for them to mow the lawn together? So the first step is assign the variables. Let x times to mow the lawn together. And step 2 is use the formula, which is 1 over 40 plus 1 over 60 is equal to 1 over x. And then get the LCM of 40 and 60, and that is 120. Next is multiply both sides with 120, so which results to 1 over 40 plus 1 over 60 is equal to 1 over x times 120 is equal to x plus 120. Then 120 over 40 plus 120 over 60 is equal to 120 over x. 3 plus 2 is equal to 120 over x. So 3 plus 2 is 5 is equal to 120 over x. 5x is equal to 120. So cancel out the x, so let's divide both sides 5. So 120 divided by 5 is 24. So the x is equal to 24. So the final answer is the time taken for both them to mow the lawn together is 24 minutes. So let's proceed for problem number 2 or example number 2. So Jane, Paul, and Peter can finish painting the fence in 2 hours. If Jane does the job alone, she can finish it in 5 hours. If Paul does the job alone, he can finish it in 6 hours. How long will it take for Peter to finish the job alone? Step 1 is assign the variables. Let x time taken. Step 2 is use the formula, and that is 1/5 plus 1/6 plus 1 over x is equal to 1/2. Step 3 is solve the equation. Multiply both sides with 30x. So it results to 1/5 plus 1/6 plus 1x, or 1 over x, is equal to 1/2. So 30x over 5 plus 30x over 6 plus 30x over x is equal to 30x over 2. Then it will become 6x plus 5x plus 30 is equal to 15x. Transpose the 15 into the left side of the equation, which results to 15x minus 11x is equal to 30. So 15x minus 11x, it will become 4x. Bring down 30 lang. So 4x is equal to 30. So divide both sides into 4 para x na lang ang remain. So x is equal to 30 over 4 or 7 and 1/2. So the final answer is the time taken for Peter to paint the fence alone is 7.5 hours.